Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be bringing you Favorite Tech Episode 2. It's going to be the Dell 7559 Inspiron 4K gaming laptop. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, so I actually haven't done a review on this laptop yet. I've been meaning to do it. This isn't going to be a full comprehensive review. This is going to be a favorite tech episode. So I'll probably do a full review of this laptop in the future where I go over more specified specs, the pros and cons to the laptop. In this video, I'm just going to be praising this laptop. I'm going to be recommending this laptop to you, just explaining why I think this is a great buy, and you can pick these up off Amazon, I believe, and maybe eBay. I think eBay too can go for a discounted price, but this is an awesome laptop, guys, so I'm going to tell you why it's awesome right now. Okay guys, so right off the bat, I have to talk about specs, just a small amount. I'm not going to go into like every single specification, but the reason why this laptop's a beast is one, gaming laptop. Let me just turn that on again. One gaming laptop. This comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960M, so a little older of a graphics card, but it is pretty solid. This thing can run AAA titles at usually medium settings is pretty solid, usually 1080p medium settings. So this thing's a beast. Any lower level title like Fortnite, it's going to be a breeze, like 120 FPS plus on like medium settings. High settings you can get like 70 FPS, and then like if you want to go really ultra, you could get around 60, maybe 55-ish. So thing's a beast. So that's GPU, CPU i7. Now this is the older i7. I forget, 6700 I think. So slightly older i7, but still i7's. Intel makes great chips, and the i7 is a beast. This thing never slows down at all. So yeah, that's the CPU GPU. For storage, we have a 128 gigabyte SSD in addition to a terabyte hard drive. So this is great because you can store certain files on your SSD, and then you can store certain files on your hard drive. Maybe like larger files like games and stuff can go on the hard drive, and then like you can put your like Windows software on the loading up really quickly, and this thing loads up insanely fast. Like there's no delay at all. So now I'm gonna go into some more hardware features about it. Okay guys, so when it comes to I/O, this thing's got plenty of it. I'm using my phone's flash right here just because it's really dark. This thing has plenty of stuff. So we got a Kensington lock, we got an Ethernet port right here for wired internet. You got an HDMI out, so you can plug this into an external monitor or TV. USB either 2.0 or 3.0. I'm not sure about that one. The Amazon, I'll link it below. Amazon will let you know. And an SD card reader, which is really great for transferring SD card files really quickly. And that's actually what I transfer my camera files onto here when it comes to editing and stuff like that. So now let's move on to the other side. Okay guys, so on this side we currently have a power in, so this is to charge the laptop. This is a USB port right here, if I can get it out. Okay, so that's a USB 2.0 or 3.0, I'm not quite sure. So we got two USB 3.0/2.0s. I'll find out later what those are. And then a microphone/headphone combo jack for listening to audio and recording audio at the same time. So that's cool. Okay guys, so the main question you're probably asking is why get this laptop? There's a gazillion laptops out there. Why pick this one? And the main reason I'm going to be telling you is up front, the display. This display is a 4K panel on this specific model. They make a 1080p model as well. This panel is 4K, absolutely amazing, super sharp, guys. Watching YouTube on this is great. Watching like 4K YouTube content, absolutely amazing. Great for Netflix, Hulu, streaming services like that. Awesome for media consumption in general. And what you guys are also thinking, or may not be thinking, is that video editing for this, it's got that NVIDIA GeForce GTX GPU, great for video editing, in addition to the 4K screen, also great for video editing. So if you guys are interested in a media consumption heavy and video editing heavy laptop, get this one. This thing's amazing. The i7 also helps with that. So processing, rendering speeds, great on this. If you have this hooked up to Ethernet or wired internet, it's going to be even faster. The Wi-Fi chip on this is it's okay, could be better. So if you honestly go wired on this thing's an absolute beast. Insane of a laptop. You can get some insane performance. Backlit keyboard, very nice click and feel to the keyboard overall. Trackpad, got some like hate on the trackpad, but honestly guys, it's a really good trackpad. No complaints on there. I've never had any issues. You can click it, or you can just tap it for Windows to register that. And then here, everything's like gotten removed here. I don't know why, but those are all like the major specs and stuff. So guys, this is a laptop made by Dell. It's like a kind of like a video editing slash gaming slash work heavy combo for a laptop. It's also have a touch screen if you guys are into touch screens. I don't really use touch screens, but if you want it, it's there. So guys, I'm gonna link this laptop down below. Probably do a full review on it in the future. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment what you think of this laptop, if you might consider buying this laptop, all that good stuff, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on notifications, and let me know what other tech you guys want me to review. I'll review anything you guys want. Got some new videos coming up in the future, stuff like that, so I hope you guys are looking forward to all that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.